The brand new Audi Concept C is a stunning electric sports car that will define bold future design eras. Following the legendary TT model from last year, this gorgeous roadster brings a completely modern and striking aspirational appearance. Notice how the extremely striking front end perfectly inspires the upcoming production model, setting stages for new Audi cars.
Audi executives expect this beautiful vehicle will officially debut sometime during the year 2027 to successfully rejuvenate brand sales.
Many industry experts are already calling this exciting rear design concept a true TT moment version 2.0.
While completely unconfirmed today, the underlying platform will almost certainly be shared with the upcoming Porsche 718 vehicle models. Right now we know this magnificent future sports model will exclusively feature a fully electric rear-wheel drive powertrain.
We strongly expect an optional legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system to officially appear on the final production variant. Interestingly, reported platform adaptations suggest that Audi could still potentially leave the door open for a gasoline combustion engine. Rumors strongly suggest the ultimate production successor might even include an advanced digital gearbox capable of creatively faking shifts. Because the concept lacks complete interior details, we are eagerly waiting to learn about the luxurious cabin features inside. Upcoming market competition for this stunning vehicle will likely form a unique Venn diagram, blending TT and R8 rivals. By the time this vehicle arrives, Porsche and maybe Tesla might finally have their own electric performance convertibles available. You currently cannot find any pure two-seater electric sports cars officially sold across the United States market soil. This beautiful concept proves Audi is fully preparing to deliver a highly desirable performance masterpiece during the coming years. As part of the massive Volkswagen Group, Audi represents a luxurious tier where cutting-edge engineering meets pure driving excitement. Recent sales challenges across global automotive markets have pushed the historic German brand to completely rethink its product strategy. An unpopular alphanumeric naming convention introduced previously caused significant buyer confusion before executives wisely chose to completely abandon it. With the legendary R8 supercar officially retired, performance enthusiasts have desperately craved a fresh halo model from the brand. The departure of the beloved TT Roadster after 2023 left a massive void in the global market. Chief Executive Officer Gernot Dellner firmly believes this upcoming release will successfully reverse negative trends and restore market prominence. Chief Executive Officer Gernot Dellner firmly believes this upcoming release will successfully reverse negative trends and restore market prominence.
Sharing core structural components with Porsche ensures that Audi leverages exceptional sports car engineering and premium track handling dynamics.
Porsche engineers are currently modifying the vehicle architecture to successfully support traditional internal combustion options alongside electric setups. This adaptation means a gasoline variant of the Audi Roadster remains a distinct possibility for traditional performance driving purists. Despite potential combustion alternatives, the primary manufacturing goal remains focused entirely on delivering a pure battery electric sports car. Utilizing a dedicated rear-wheel drive layout provides the classic weight distribution characteristics favored by passionate driving sports purists. Audi built its global reputation on incredible grip, making an all-wheel drive option highly probable for the production. An innovative digital transmission could emulate traditional mechanical gear changes to preserve the tactile involvement of classic performance motoring. American buyers currently have absolutely zero choices when shopping for a premium electric two-seat roadster sports car today.
Rivalry will heat up quickly as Porsche prepares its own next-generation electric Boxster and Cayman performance sports models. While Tesla frequently promises a second-generation Roadster, that vehicle remains unreleased after nearly a decade of continuous teasing.
The target competitive landscape forms a fascinating cross-section between classic hybrid models and upcoming full-battery electric vehicles. Although an official production name remains unannounced, the spirit of the iconic TT clearly guides this exciting vehicle development.
Audi firmly recognizes this completely open market segment and confidently intends to capture passionate electric sports car enthusiast buyers. When examining current options, prospective buyers will find several performance hybrid models but absolutely zero pure battery electric alternatives.
Replacing the truly iconic Audi TT is certainly never an easy task, but this modern concept provides serious confidence. The impressively sleek silver metallic exterior design brilliantly sets the dramatic stage for an entirely new styling era today. Its beautiful two-seater cabin layout always promises an incredibly focused driving environment dedicated entirely to pure motoring experiences. While we desperately await more officially confirmed details later this year, the initial conceptual preview remains undeniably exciting today.
A dedicated rear-wheel drive electric platform will instantly deliver massive torque and thrilling dynamic cornering handling capabilities effortlessly.
Adding the famous Audi Quattro system would confidently ensure maximum traction across various challenging weather conditions and slippery roads. The fascinating possibility of adapting combustion engines means traditional driving enthusiasts might also enjoy this stunning new vehicle silhouette. A digital gearbox carefully faking mechanical shifts could successfully bridge the emotional gap between classic driving feelings and technology. The struggling German automaker desperately needs this massive TT Moment version 2.0 to successfully rejuvenate global showrooms. When it officially arrives in 2027, this gorgeous roadster will thoroughly redefine the modern premium automotive experience. Until production versions finally reach dealership showroom floors, the entire automotive world will closely watch every single development update. This incredible concept ultimately proves that Audi is fully preparing an absolute performance masterpiece worth waiting very patiently for. Please hit that subscribe button right now to stay completely updated on every detail regarding this incredible upcoming vehicle.
Thank you so much for watching our full review today, and we will see you in the next video.